So in this video, I'm going to share with you how French women are able to eat well throughout menopause. Hi, my name is Milan Perry of Sonaturelle Wellness and of the Chic Women Don't Diet Wellness and Lifestyle Program. I've been following the French way for quite some time, for a long time, I should say, and it's been some years. And it's produced some amazing benefits in my body, and especially now that I'm in menopause. Would you like to know what they are? Well, then let me share them with you. On today's video, how to eat like a French woman in menopause. So pay attention. Hi, my name is Milan Perry of Sonaturelle Wellness and of the Chic Women Don't Diet Lifestyle and Wellness Program. Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please go on and click on the button and subscribe. If you have subscribed, then make sure you also click on the bell, because that way when I do produce new videos, you will get an alert that they're coming your way. Would you like to know how to eat like a French woman in menopause? If the answer is yes, then I'm going to take you in my next video behind the scenes of how I do it in the kitchen eating like a French woman. So drop a comment in the box below to let me know that you want to see that, okay? So today I'm not going to be in the kitchen, but on my next video I definitely will be in the kitchen and I'll show you exactly how I do that. So let's dive in. How to eat like a French woman in menopause. And these are also secrets of my plate. Now, if you're watching this video, chances are you have read the book French Women Don't Get Fat. And you also may consider yourself to be a Francophile. If you've been to France, more than likely you have experienced that way of eating, the French way of eating and dining, and you like that, and you wanted to bring some of that even back to your home. And unlike most other European countries, the French enjoy a 3-course lunch and dinner, which includes cheese. And I know you're probably saying, I'm lactose intolerant, I can't even tolerate cheese, I didn't eat cheese when I was in France. Okay, I get that, but hear me out in this video. So if you're not used to it, then initially it can be pretty overwhelming. But we're going to find out some ways where you can do it. You can eat the French way throughout menopause and still feel good in your skin again. But it's going to take a little bit of practice, but you'll be able to eat like a local in no time. So here are a few tips to get you started. The first one, eating like a French woman, means that you're not eating the same things all the time. You're eating in abundance. You're eating a variety of different types of foods, and that means foods that have lots of color, like your orange, your blue, your purple, your red, your very vibrant colors that you find in the market. And a lot of times we have the tendency to gravitate to the same foods over and over because we've become accustomed to eating a certain way. But you don't have to. There's too much variety to be bored or eating food that's monotonous. So you want to gravitate to food that's basically colors of the rainbow. Number 2, when I was in France, I noticed, and even my friends who are French, I noticed there is the way they eat is very mindful. They eat and drink in moderation. And when you live in the United States, and I live in a city, Chicago, where there's a lot of amazing chefs, there's a lot of great restaurants. So Chicago is a eating city. However, when you are in France, they're all about moderation. They're all about drinking in moderation, eating in moderation. So when you come back home, and especially if you live in the United States or any other country and you don't eat that way, now you need to shift your mind. Go back to eating the way you eat. And if even in France, they may eat throughout the day or eat their 3-course meal or breakfast, lunch, and dinner, but it's very orchestrated. It's never a lot of food at one time on their plate. So learning to eat in moderation is being mindful of what's on your plate, mindful of what you're putting in your body, mindful of your how your body is feeling in that given moment. And if you want to flow in menopause and feel good in menopause, you have to be mindful exactly of what you're putting in your body and how much you're putting in your body and the quantity of what you're putting in your body. That also means not filling your plate. Your stomach can only eat so much at any given time. The more you fill your stomach, the more your stomach will stretch. So you want to make sure that when you are eating, you're not eating more than your body can actually handle. And the best way to do that is by taking a bite, putting your fork down, chew your food until it basically becomes a liquid in your mouth, and then rest a little, and then start again. So you want to enjoy food. You want to enjoy the art of the dining experience, because culinary is an art. That's why they have schools where you can actually go and take the culinary arts. And I'm a culinary graduate, so I understand food as being an art. So you definitely want to make sure that you're eating food in a way that is that you're monitoring what you're eating and how much you're eating. Even when it comes to drinking, if you are drinking more than 4 ounces per hour, your liver cannot handle that. Your liver can only handle drinking 4 ounces of wine per hour. And when you are consuming alcoholic beverages, always make sure that you're eating with that, because you want the food to absorb the effects that the alcohol will produce on your body. So definitely make sure that you're eating wine in moderation. 1 glass a week, 1 glass a night is moderate. If any more than that, then you have to ask yourself, why am I overindulging in this? What is the reason behind it? Number 3, always buy organic. I always buy organic, hormone-free food. I make sure it is from places that I trust, that their protein is going to be good and sustainable. Whole Foods is one of my go-to places, and I have found since I've been eating this way that it has reduced my menopausal symptoms, such as hot flashes late at night, my irritability, just being angry, and my emotions getting out of control sometimes. So hormone-free food and lean cuts of meat has worked wonders for me. Number 4, and this is something that I'm very passionate about, and which is why I recommend eating like a French woman in menopause. When you eat different colors of food, they're all good for you. Your reds have lycopene, which helps reduce the inflammation in your body. So whenever you're looking at red vegetables, think this is going to help reduce inflammation in my body. Oranges have the beta-carotene, which helps with your eye health. And greens, they're high in iron. Greens are high in iron. And I'm not talking about greens just your romaine lettuce or your spinach, but there's so many greens that you can choose from in the grocery store. There's cilantro, there's parsley, there's beet tips, there's carrot tips. All of that green, that is edible. Look at all of the frise lettuce, butterhead lettuce. There's so many greens that you can choose from, and the sky is the limit. It's just a matter of what exactly you want to eat and what exactly that you want to try and experiment with. Because the beautiful thing about greens is they are loaded with potassium, which helps to regulate your blood pressure. So you definitely want to make sure that you're getting all these beautiful colors of food into your diet and eating well. So what about you? I want to learn how to do it. Are you struggling including all of these beautiful colors of the rainbow in your diet? Are you struggling trying to eat in a way where your menopausal symptoms are reduced? Are you just struggling trying to cook for yourself at all? If that's you, I want to invite you to join my 8-week cooking course. It's called the Chic Cooking Academy. And in the Chic Cooking Academy, you're going to learn to eat like a French woman as you go through perimenopause and menopause. Because you know what? In all honesty, let me tell you, it's never too late. It's never too late to eat healthier and more gourmet. Eating well is a lifestyle. And this virtual cooking course is going to kick off for the new year in January. If you don't want to be a part of this, I'm going to include the link below this video. And this is a wellness and culinary course. You will get guidance from me as your wellness coach as well as your chef. So this is not a cooking class. This is something completely different. In fact, I haven't seen anything like this out there. So this is very unique, and it's something worth investing in, because you're investing in yourself. You're investing in good health. You're investing in your wellness. You're investing in your lifestyle. You're investing in how you feel, how you look. You're investing in a whole new you. And this year is all about reinventing yourself. The pandemic has made me reinvent myself on so many different levels. So I want you to join me. Let's do this together. Remember, chic women don't diet, and neither should you. I know the French don't diet. Well, guess what? American chic women don't diet either. So if you're with me, I would love to have you join me in this course. So I'll put the link once again below this video, and I will see you in the next class. Until our next time together, as always, stay beautiful and healthy.